Hello, Diecast family. Today we got another Greenlight unboxing. This case was purchased from 3000 Toys. Not a sponsor video at all, but decided to pick up this case of All-Terrain Series 11. So let's get into it and see what there is. And we will crack open. We'll take them all out first, and then we'll crack them open. Take a close look at them. Can't even remember what all came in this series. But there must have been enough castings that I liked and wanted to pick up the whole case. So, go ahead and get them out. First one is going to be the 87 GMC Jimmy, which looks absolutely amazing. This is probably the best one in the case. Awesome looking GMC Jimmy. Can't wait to crack that open. Well, I could be wrong. It's 95 Ford Bronco. Man, that thing looks awesome in orange. Man, I gotta quit saying awesome. I am sorry, guys, I say awesome so much. It even annoys me. Really cool looking in orange, though. So that's two winners already. Let's see what... Then we got the 2008 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. Not sure what's different from this from the other yellow release that I got, but they came in the Hobby Shop series. We'll have to compare them maybe. And we got a 1968 Jeep Jeepster Commando. Really like how they're putting the accessories on here for the All-Terrain series. Really cool. You get a gas tank and stuff. So far, these are all really good castings. Then we got the 2020 Chevy Silverado, which is a must-have for me, because I collect the Chevy Silverado from Greenlight. And the last one we have is a 1976 Ford F-250. What an absolutely amazing truck from Greenlight. What an amazing release from Greenlight. These are all winners in my book. Now let me get reset up, and then we'll crack them. Alright, let's start with the 2020 Chevy Silverado in gray. Really smell the paint when I crack that one open. Seems like all of them, they put some kind of accessory on them. This one, they have this, I don't know, roll bar or whatever you would call this. Been cool if they cut out a star or something out of the side. I think the new front end of the Silverado is starting to catch on. I did not like the headlights and everything when they first came out, but I think they're really starting to catch on now with me. Really like the step bumpers that they add on, and the exhaust tips. Oh, they're dual exhausts that come out of the bottom of the bumper. Looks really awesome on the new Silverados. Next one, we have a 2008 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon in yellow. And I did grab the hobby shop release that's in yellow so we can compare. I can see a couple minor differences right off the get, but got to get the rubber band off of here. 3 of these castings came with rubber bands. But here's a hobby shop release. So you can see the hood is different. The rims are different. I actually like these rims better, I think. Be able to see them both right here. These are very factory too. Pretty much the same exact yellow color. There's not enough different with this for me to have picked it up on its own. I really like the original hobby shop version. They came out with the aftermarket hood and stuff. But since it was in this hobby shop release, and I'm happy to have it, slightly different yellow color. Slightly different. The one on the right is just a shade darker. Like 1 shade darker. The next one, probably some people's favorite, is going to be the 1976 Ford F-250 in white and black. Definitely up there for me as a favorite. It's going to be hard to pick a favorite out of this release. Really hard. Man, that looks good in black. Should have grabbed a couple of the other releases of this. But this one has a brush guard added on. The Jeep Rubicon, I don't see nothing extra added onto it. It appears the hood's a separate piece, but it does not open. I think they just made it a separate piece so they can switch them out between that hood and that hood. That would make sense why they would make it a separate piece. Just glue on a different hood and get a completely different look, and then you can release it in the same color. Love these factory looking rims though, how they're recessed in like that. Looks really good. Next, we got the 1968 Jeep Jeepster Commando, which I'm happy to pick up in this army green color. Would look cool in a flat army green too, but do get the gas can, which is really cool. Nice set of white lettered tires. The top does not come off on, oh yeah, it does come off on this one. But they did not put a rubber band on this one, but the top comes off. All the other ones have rubber bands that the tops come off. So if they don't put the top on this one, why do they on the other ones? Love how they got the crinkle look on the window. That is really something cool. And we have the 1995 Ford Bronco in orange. Always happy to pick up a Ford Bronco or a GMC Jimmy. I got a lot of these castings completed enough where I probably could do like spotlight videos on them. Which maybe I will. I got so many other videos lined up right now though. Might be hard to fit them in the schedule right now. And this top does not like staying on. It's probably why they put the rubber band around it, which I took off. Really prototypical wheels, which look really good. Love it in the orange paint. And this is the first time it was released with a roof rack. Definitely will look cool with some accessories on it. Very cool. And the last one, which is probably some people's favorite, is going to be the 1987 GMC Jimmy, which they've been releasing a lot of. Get that rubber band off of it. And I do not think any of these have opening hoods. And this one doesn't appear to have any extra pieces on it either. Really cool tires though. Really prototypical. I mean, Greenlight's just killing it with the rims and tires on this whole series. Awesome paint. Of course the top comes off. Revealing a real tire in the back for a spare. Looks like it could come off. I don't want to break it, but it looks like it's on a little post and could slide off. They might glue it on, so I don't want to break it off. Looks a lot like a truck without that top on. I don't think the GMC Jimmys in real life, the tops weren't removable, were they? I never saw nobody like driving down the road without their top on their Jimmy. Let me know down in comments if you know if these were really removable or not. Because something tells me they were not removable. So I'm not sure why Greenlight makes them removable. Unless they just like being able to show off the detail. I don't think they were removable, but I don't know. I have no idea. I know the Jeeps are removable in real life. Oh, that's all I got to show you today. Really, really cool release from Greenlight. Not very often they release a case where I would pick up 5 or 6 castings, but lately they have released a few cases that I have picked up because I liked almost all the castings. So you be the judge. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite out of the release. Cast your vote down in the comments, Diecast family, on which one is your favorite out of this release. It's a really tough choice for me. Love that Ford truck casting. Love that Jimmy too, but it might be that Ford Bronco. Just something about it in orange with that brush guard up front. I actually like that Jeep better than the other yellow variation, maybe just because of the rims. Those are very, very prototypical rims. Well, let me know which one was your favorite. Definitely hit that subscribe button and have an awesome day.